Wait. Why didn't Orville Wright of the Wright brothers receive the first government-issued pilot license? Let's talk about it. Welcome to Pilotpedia. Pilotpedia intro. Okay. What if that's the intro? What if I just do that every time? Before the FAA existed, the aviation industry was regulated by a branch of the Department of Commerce known as the Aeronautics Branch. The Aeronautics Branch was established in 1926. In 1927, they wanted to issue the first pilot license, and Orville denied it. His reasoning? It's actually pretty simple. He wasn't actively flying anymore. Keep in mind, it was in 1903 that the Wright brothers first flew. Orville at that time was 32 years old. Now, jump 24 years later, when the first pilot license was being issued, he was 56 at the time. 56 doesn't seem old nowadays, but keep in mind, this is 1927. The average lifespan in the United States at the time was 59. He's getting pretty old at that point. Additionally, he didn't think he needed to get the first pilot license to show that he was the first person to fly. But wait, there's a whole other brother we're not talking about. What about Wilbur Wright? Did the Aeronautics Branch of the Department of Commerce play favorites with the brother? Nope, Wilbur passed in 1912, which was 15 years prior to the first issuance of a pilot license, so that wouldn't have worked.
Wait, didn't the Titanic sink in 1912? Did Wilbur die on the Titanic?
So, who would have been the first to get the pilot license? It was given to the chief of the Aeronautics Branch. His name? William P. McCracken Jr. What a guy. Well, now you're informed. Thank you for watching Pilotpedia by Blue Line Aviation. Till next time. And then the Who Wants to Be a Millionaire TikTok sound starts.